Welcome to Section 2.6 of the Foreclosure Prevention class, Explaining and Documenting Client Hardship. And I want to let you know this is a really short section, so make sure you pay attention because we're going to be over before you know it. Alright, so the first thing we want to make sure we do when we're thinking about hardship is it has to be an involuntary reduction in income or an unavoidable increase in expenses. And most workout options from your lender, mortgage company, what have you, they're going to require that the homeowner submit what's called a hardship letter. Now, if you've been doing this a while, you're very familiar with this. But if you're new, this is something that you really need to pay special attention to. So some things that needs to go in your client's hardship letter: identifying information, the foreclosure prevention workout option sought. And what we're looking for here is, what do you think is going to help your client? You know, have they lost their job and now they've recovered, so maybe they just need a short-term fix? Or have they been downsized and they've had to start a new career and they're just making less money, so they might need a long-term fix? You want to make sure your client puts in there what they're looking for. They also need to put in what hardship they suffered and what happened, like why did they suffer this hardship. And there needs to be an overview of their income, expenses, savings, and anticipated changes. So basically a budget. And then a proposed plan and why the client is committed to the plan. So how they how they're going to resolve this, how they're going to keep this from happening again if possible. And then, of course, contact information, best times to reach them, and any necessary attachments that may be required. And also keep in mind that different lenders are going to have different application packages, some may have a hardship format letter that you need to complete, etc. But every lender is going to require a hardship letter. All right, that's the end of Section 2.6. We're done.